Alright everybody, the Tahoe is back. And as you can see, she's sitting a little bit lower than she should. It's not because the key flip didn't work. We just didn't cut the dimples in the right place. So it bent one of the bolts. I'll show you that when he gets it on the lift. But he did get a new grill. That looks pretty good. Blacked out. But yeah, you can tell by the stance that things didn't work out so good. Like I said, I'll show you the keys and what happened to them whenever we get it up on the lift. But this side right here is even worse. You can see how bad the tire is leaning out. And you can see how low it's sitting. So.
By the way, that's the camber's like that, and that's all the way adjusted out, by the way.
You adjusted it?
Yeah, that's like the max amount of camber I could get back into it.
Well, when you get a chance, you might want to take it to an alignment shop so they can do it proper once you get your stance the way you want it.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull the camber back out of it today, because whenever it originally dropped, it was like this. Like it was top river bad.
Damn. Well, I'm gonna let him finish getting this on the lift, then we'll come back and show you what's going on. Alright. So here's the problem. The torsion keys. Let's see if I can get a good video. The bolt's bent. Mainly because we didn't get the nipples in the right place. Both of them did it. Oh shit! That's why I need an action camera instead of this. That could have destroyed this camera. But yeah, they broke off, they bent.
Yeah, it ain't supposed to be like that.
So this is what we're gonna do. He actually went and bought the actual keys that are made to lower it.
What I should have done in the first place.
Which is what most people should probably do. I'm not saying the flipping the keys don't work, because we've done it before on another vehicle and it worked fine, but I don't know how we got it right the first time and we messed up this time. But as you can see, both torsion bars, really they could have fell out because there's nothing holding them up. But both the bolts bent and broke.
You both ain't supposed to come out.
And that's mainly because of the angle we were forcing on the keys probably, but the dimples probably wasn't in the right place either. So if you do this, I would suggest buying the right keys to start with. Then you won't have that problem. We're going to replace one of his hubs. I think it was making a noise last time. I don't remember that, but he said it was, so I'm just go by what he told me.
We did it last time. So.
Anyway.
Yeah, GM doesn't make two-piece torsion key bolts.
Yeah, that's not good. We're going to get started on this project, people, and do it the right way. It's going to be easy to get the keys out this time. They're not connected. I mean, they are absolutely not connected.
Which makes for a nice, pleasant sound when you're driving down the road.
Yeah, pretty noisy.
Because whenever you hit bumps, it goes.
Well, if you'll get that air hammer, we'll go ahead and knock these out. Let them fall to the ground, and then we'll start over. That's how you do it. Probably not the proper way to do it. That's how you do it.
That's the easiest way to do it.
That one didn't fall out. My chuck held it up. Alright, so those are toast.
Alright, we fell.
Uh-oh. Alright, that come out. Beautimous.
So those new Bluetooth torsion key bolts.
That wasn't bad. At least they broke off clean and didn't get like all gnawed up and everything.
And again, GM does not make two-piece torsion keyboards.
Yeah, well,
Or Bluetooth for it.
you know the old saying, you live and learn?
Yeah.
Well, we living and we learning. I didn't record the other one. That's it? Alright, you welcome.
Yep. Alright. Much easier. Power tools. Make life so much easier. Got some spring in it.
I got a thing over there to pull that ABS wire off with. That's the first thing you need to do.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. Little pry bar. This is my catch-all cart.
Why they decided that that was a good idea to put that thing all the way up there.
The video.
I just broke out.
What?
I broke it. I was trying to get it done.
I got plenty of zip ties, but don't worry about it.
I'll say that a lot of this stuff zipped on.
That right there, you gotta pinch that in.
Yeah.
Let me hold that. Let me go turn the wheel so you can get that brake. You gotta get that brake off. Yeah, hammer them up.
Big fella. Yeah.
Cool big daddy.
I will say I don't own a lot of Milwaukee tools, but I can't knock them. Dang, that blow the shock out. Sure looks like it don't. Push it. Hey,
What is?
I gotta have a,
No, just roll it up and put it up there. Ain't going nowhere.
These will eventually get switched out for slotted and drilled.
Oh God! You hear it? Hope y'all can hear that.
Oh,
Sounds terrible.
that's rough. Damn.
But it's powerful. I gotta give it that.
Joker don't play.
I don't know if you're gonna reach that one from there. Might have to turn your wheel. Or just. Yeah, you can probably have to turn that one, son. It should come around pretty easy. I ain't gonna say that was easy.
Good enough.
I hate that top one ain't reachable. But that damn bolt is right there in the way. I mean, it's barely in the way. Now you can get your ratchet wrench. You can't, I mean, you can use a ratchet wrench to break bolts loose, but it ain't recommended. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not recommended.
This is where the real fun part. Getting this bearing separated from the cylinder.
No, it ain't that bad. Take a hammer and tap it out.
Out of the way.
Don't let it fall and bend your dust shield all to hell. Tap it right here. You got it. Cattywampus. That's it. Grab it. You got bolts falling out of your car, bro. Tell you, this car came from the north, bro. Just hold it.
He doesn't want to smell brake clean anymore.
Steve. Because he's having to pay for it.
Huh?
Steve, because he's having to pay for it.
Oh.
I like to smell the brake clean. And you know I like to use it.
I love it.
Alright. Put a little grease in there.
I wonder if that's what that is. I think that's shock.
Probably so. Because it was slammed all the way down. It's probably done busted the shock on it. Just like it destroyed that bump stop. The bump stop seen better days.
Yeah, definitely seen better days.
Curb grease.
Yeah, that'd be fine. Just put something in there to try to keep it from sticking again. I ain't never had that kind of problem. Changed the direction, didn't it? Okay.
It's a nice little breeze.
You're doing an excellent job of getting shots of your head and everything.
On my long, luscious hair.
You're definitely going to want to get that regular 15 and crank down on that top bolt just a little bit. According to the manufacturer's specifications, the torque value on this is however much you can get out of that wrench. Other way, other way.
You're right. Man, maybe you get some leverage here.
That ought to do it.
That should be to specification.
Close enough. mean, you are using that top quality cheap wrench, you know, so gotta be close. Don't forget you dropped the bolt up under the truck.
Yes, $3 bolt. Alright, big fella.
Rotor first.
Oh, shit. That's. Whew.
You just wasn't getting in the hole, man.
Yeah. Ooh.
Grab your lug nut and crank down that thing. Turn it upside down and
You have no idea how mad I was about to get. That'd have been 6x5 instead of 6x5.
hey, as much as we beat on that other one, I was hoping it wasn't wrong either. Hey, there's some blue Loctite on my cart. Put a little dab of that on there. Yeah, you don't want them falling off, I promise you.
I don't use the gel, I use the fluid.
She started. That's good enough.
Yep, you just leave it like that and dry.
Smells like rusty. And see, if this was a customer's car that was giving you trouble, you soak the whole thing with Loctite.
Red.
Red Loctite, that's right.
And then tell them don't come back.
Yep.
Alright, hook your little deal back up. I'm glad you remember that because I forgot the other day and went to put the tire on. I was a little pissed off, I ain't gonna lie to you. It ain't riding on the ground no more. So, anyway, this video is probably gonna come out after I do my other video that I did the other day. So, just remember what I said about the other video, the other truck, that 2500 did have a bad battery. It was only 4 months old, and they ended up having to do brakes all the way around. So, all that, and then this video come out where we fixed our problem, or fixed our situation where we had a problem. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this video. I appreciate everybody watching. Y'all take it easy.